This product review is about paper dolls with stickers by Flying Tiger. The package comes with 9 double-sided paper dolls with 17 centimeters tall each, with all these stickers to create your personal dolls. This item is for kids above 3 years old, and you can share your creations using the hashtag DIYFlyingT. I'm going to open the paper dolls like so. The cardboard is resistant and a little rougher on one side, but pleasant to the touch. I will randomly choose the pieces I want to stick together to create personalized characters. I'm exposing the stickers for you to have an idea of the pieces we can play with. There are plenty of eyes, noses and mouths, which can be combined to create funny characters. I'm going to start the first one with the eyes. You can even use this product as an entertainment activity at a kid's birthday party. Some stickers are easier to remove than others. You might need to have a slightly longer nail to detach them. Detach the sticker carefully like so. I wish you to have some fun with this activity. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more.